Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own DIY yard sign. These are very popular for birthdays and graduations, especially since we're in quarantine. So stay tuned to the video. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is go into Cricut Design Space and you're going to select New Project. Then you're going to select Text and select the desired text that you would like. In my case, I select block line. And then I'm going to enter happy. And then size it appropriately for the sign. And next I'm going to duplicate happy. And then erase the original text and then enter 10th. And then after that, I'm going to go down to text and select another text. In this case, I'm selecting the same text. The same font, block line. And entering birthday. And then after that, I'm going to resize it. Then I'm going to go back to font and select block line again and enter the name Braden and resize it appropriately. Okay, so from here, I'm just resizing and repositioning the text in the places that I would want it before I send it to cut. So I'm going to select the happy 10th birthday and then go down to edit, line type, and select the color red so that it'll print on the same mat. Then I'm going to select make it. And as you can see, the happy 10th birthday is on the red mat and the Braden is on the black mat. And here I'm just repositioning the text so that it won't cut so close together. So before we cut, we're going to need to prepare our mats. I'm using the 12-inch mat and I'm using the Oracle 651 permanent vinyl. And what I do is measure how much I need. I use the grid lines on the mat to help me measure out how much I need. In this case, I needed 5 inches. And then I use the grid lines on the back of the vinyl to help me cut exactly how much I need, if that makes sense. And I apologize, this is a bad angle. I'm using the grid lines on the back of the vinyl to help me cut a straight line across the vinyl. So now I'm going to be placing my vinyl shiny side up on the mat. Since this is permanent vinyl, we don't need to do shiny side down. We're just going to print it exactly the way it is. There's no need to mirror the image. So I'm placing my vinyl on the mat and I'm going to use my scraper to flatten it out and remove any bubbles from the vinyl. So now that we prepared our mat, we're going to go back to Cricut Design Space and we're going to hit continue. And from there, we're going to cut our design. Now that we're done cutting our red design, we're going to go into cutting our black design, and I prepared the mat off camera. So now that we're done with the Cricut, I'm just taking my scissors and cutting out each individual text to weed them out. So from here, I'm just using my weeding tool and I'm weeding out all of the extra vinyl that we don't need. So now I'm going to be hand cutting these picture designs that I created on pages on my iPad. If you would like to see a video for this, let me know in the comments. I printed these pictures on vinyl sticker paper. I bought this off of Amazon. I will link it down below. It comes with 20 sheets and it's durable and water resistant. And as stated on the pack, you have to use these in an inkjet printer. So as stated before, I'm going to be hand cutting these with scissors and I'm going to try to cut as closely as possible to the image. I don't really care about the excess white because I'm going to be sticking these on a white board. So now that I have everything cut out, I'm going to be using my Cricut transfer paper to transfer my vinyl onto the transfer paper. So I lay my transfer paper or tape on top of my vinyl and then I turn it over and I use my scraping tool to help transfer the vinyl onto the tape. And I continue to do this for each of the text. So next what I'm going to do is take this 14 by 18 yard sign that I got from Home Depot and put my letters and pictures onto the board. I believe the board was 488. Okay, so from here I'm just positioning the pictures and the letters the way I would like them adhered to the board. I'm going to take my first word and lay it down on the board and smooth it out with my scraping tool so that the transfer tape will lift easily from the board. And I will continue to do this for each of the words. So from here, I'm going to remove the transfer film from each of the words. So now I'm going to remove the paper backing from the vinyl sticker paper, and I'm going to do this for each of the images. From here, I'm going to be laying down some last minute items to the board. Now that I'm done with the sign, I'm going to remove the stakes from the back of the board, and I'm going to insert them into the sign. There are holes on all sides of the sign. So I'm going to take the stakes and I'm going to insert them into the center of the sign. And here is your final product. If you have any questions about anything that I did in the video, or if you have questions about the products used, you can ask in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video.